Customer experience is something every organisation manages, whether intentionally or not. There are no hard and fast rules about what you must do. It's about understanding a number of interconnected processes that combine to deliver an experience. This may or may not match customers' expectations. Organisations that create exceptional customer experiences know that managing experience is an ongoing process and more of a mindset for the entire organisation than just the responsibility of a couple of employees. There are a number of competing elements to consider for an organisation when you look at the overall customer experience. Firstly, what your organisation's priorities are. For example, increase revenue, margin, or increase conversion. Secondly, your brand. How the business stands out from the crowd. What is it famous for and how it does things differently. And thirdly, the customer. How you satisfy their needs, how you meet their goals with minimum friction and meet their emotional needs. It can sound like a simple tick box exercise to satisfy each of these items, but you'll quickly discover they can be in tension with each other. For example, what your customers demand does not necessarily align with your commercial ambition, and at times these can be polarised. The job of customer experience management is to find a sweet spot for all three.